Welcome to Mom Eats. Today we are going to make Keema Bhari Shimla Mirch. For that we need 3 tomatoes to onion, 5 capsicum, 500 grams chicken, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon Kashmir mirch, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon dry coriander, 1 teaspoon 1 teaspoon dry methi. Now add ghee to pan. Add onions to the oil and fry till golden. Now add zera. Add chicken mince. Mix well. Add salt, chili flakes, Kashmiri mirch, dry coriander. Add 2 teaspoon garlic paste. Mix well. Add tomatoes and mash till turn into paste. Add heated coal to the pan and put some oil on it, and then cover the pan. Cut capsicum into half and add to the frying pan to fry till golden. Let it fry. Now take some keema out in the bowl with some chopped onion, tomatoes, and capsicum to fill in the half-cut capsicum. Now get the capsicum out of the pan. Add some chopped capsicum to fry for some time. Now get it out. Now add fried capsicum, chopped tomatoes, and onions to the keema. Now put the material filling into the half-cut capsicum. Now put cheese onto the capsicum. Put the filled capsicum onto the keema. Add dry methi, fresh coriander, chopped chilies, and cover it up for the cheese to melt. And the Keema Bhari Shimla Mirch is ready. Those who are new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe so that you won't miss any updates.